How to download Google Play Store on iPhone or iOS. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you that how you can download Google Play Store on your iOS device or iPhone. So for that, first of all, you'll need to perform two steps on your settings. So first of all, open your settings app and over here scroll down till you find the option battery. So just click on battery, and now here you have to make sure that the low power mode is turned off. Turn the toggle button off if it's already on, then go back and search for this general option, and once you're general, scroll down and click on background app refresh. And now here make sure that the background app refresh is turned on. If it is off, you can just click on Wi-Fi and mobile data. So make sure that the background app refresh is on, it's not off. You can either select any of it, whichever you're using, if you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data, but turn it on. And once you're done with these two steps, just come back, and now you have to open Safari. Once you're in Safari, you have to type appsafe.club and click go. And now you'll be redirected to this page where there are free mods for iOS and Android. Now here scroll down till you find the option Google Play++, and if you cannot find the option among the list, you can just search it over here like Google Play and you'll be able to see this. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll have to click on the start injection, and you'll see that it is going to connect with your phone and it will start injecting. So basically what it does is that it doesn't actually install the app on your phone, but it installs the browser extension which works like an app. So you can just access it from your home screen and you can just use it as an app. So once it is done injecting, they will ask you to confirm that you are not a bot. So for that, you'll need to verify that you are human, and you have to download these two apps in order to verify that you're human, to give your human verification. And once you have downloaded these two apps, the steps can be the verification can be different according to your country. So once you have verified that you are human, you'll be able to see the Google Play app icon on your home screen, and you can just click on the Google Play and just log in with your email account, with your Gmail, and use your Google Play. So that is how you can download Google Play on your iPhone or iOS device. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.